Y'all know big bows are all the rage right now. So I'm gonna show you how to make this big bow using a Dollar Tree tablecloth. Isn't it cute? Okay, so we have our Dollar Tree. This is a rectangle tablecloth. They have a bunch of different colors, and they're $1.25. So we're just gonna open it up. I'll show y'all how easy this is to make. Unfold it. Back up so y'all can see. Unfold every layer. So just completely unfold it. Be careful not to rip it. Okay, so we have it completely unfolded. We're gonna find kind of the middle area. And I'm gonna just scrunch it down the middle. Okay, so you're gonna grab it kind of in the middle and you're gonna make one of your loops. Okay, and then with the longer tail, you're gonna wrap it around that loop and just tuck it through the hole or the loop that you made. And pull it. Pull it tight. Tighten it up to however big you want the loops to be, okay? And see, my tails are kind of uneven. So I'm gonna try and even them out here. The tails aren't a huge issue, but you kind of want them similar, or I do. It doesn't really matter. And then once you have your bow, it's gonna look scrunched up like this. Just fluff it. Fluff it until you like the look of it. Just play around with it. And then you have a bow. Super cute. So we're gonna hang them on the wall for my daughter's birthday. Kind of just like that. Isn't that cute? I bought a bunch of different colors, so I'll take a video of what they all look like once I have them all done. So just play around with it, but it's super easy. You can make a big bow for $1.25. Well, plus tax. But there you go. Super simple. I'm gonna keep messing with it until I get it right. Let me know if you try it.